To get started, check the description below. I've linked my GitHub repository, where you can download the project zip file. Once you've downloaded and extracted it, you'll find two main files, login.html and setup.rsc. Open setup.rsc in a text editor like Notepad. We're going to copy and paste these commands into our editor in sections to make sure everything stays stable. Now, open Winbox and log in to your mikrofig editor. I like to start with a clean slate, so I'll close all my active windows. Navigate to a greater than DHCP client, add a new client, and select your internet source, usually Ether1. Run a quick ping test in the terminal to confirm you're online. If the ping is successful, copy the first section of commands from our script and paste them into the terminal. Quick tip, if the terminal closes, don't panic, just log back in using the new IP address we just assigned. Next, paste the second section to bridge your ports. And enable the wireless interface. Let's see if it works. I'll connect my phone now and there it is. The captive portal popped up perfectly. It's a bit ugly with the default IP, so let's fix that. Go to a greater than hotspot and change the DNS name to something professional. By the way, if you're finding this helpful so far, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm show this. Now for the best part, getting paid. Copy the next script section to allow Paystack through the walled garden. This lets users pay before they are officially logged in. I'm setting up 3 specific profiles for different data packages. The next script section generates random usernames and passwords for your users. Make sure to keep the last part of that printout. We'll need that logic for the JavaScript in a moment. Open login.html in Versus Code or Notepad. Find the User Pools section. You can actually use an LLM like Gemini to help you swap out the placeholder data with the actual hotspot data we just generated. For the Paystack pop-up to work, grab those JS files from the description and put them in the same folder. You'll also need to log into your Paystack dashboard, grab your public key, and paste it into the code. Finally, go into your mikrofig files, delete the old login.html, and upload your new customized files. I usually disable the radius service temporarily just to test that the buy buttons are working correctly on mobile. To wrap things up, we want to manage this from any device. Run the final command to enable WebFig, and the REST API. Now, you can just type your DNS name, or the local IP address 1.2.3.4 into any browser on the network to manage your clients. One of the best parts about this setup, the portal actually hides the source code from users, so they can't see the inner workings of your scripts. If you ran into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. All the links and commands are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.